Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can calculate the house rent allowance exemption while filing tax return. The information that we need to have with us is our basic salary per month and the house rent allowance paid by your employee per month. Both of this information you can find in your payslip. When you have the above mentioned information, just navigate to Clear Tax House Rent Allowance Calculator. I have given the link in the description box. When you navigate to that website, it will give you the application page. The first information that we need to fill is the basic salary received per year. Consider a person is receiving 20,000 as basic salary, so yearly basic salary would be 2,40,000. And post providing this information, you need to provide the information about the HRA received. Consider the person is receiving 10,850 per month as house rent allowance. We need to multiply that by 12. So the total amount comes around 1,30,200 rupees. After that, we need to enter the total rent paid yearly. Consider a person is paying 8,000 per month as rent. So total per year it comes around 96,000. So we enter 96,000 in the total rent paid. After that, we need to select whether you are living in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata or Chennai. These cities are considered as metro city. In case you are living in any of these cities, select yes, else you select no. In this example, I select yes, and then we need to enter the email ID, which is optional. Then click on calculate. It will give you the information instantly. Ideally, it will show you three categories. The first one is 50% of the basic salary, which comes around 1,20,000. After that, it shows the total house rent allowance received, which is around 1,30,200 rupees. The third component is the excess of rent you paid over 10% of the basic salary, which comes around 72,000. So we need to select whatever comes least out of these three calculation. In this example, the least amount is 72,000. So we will be getting the tax exemption for that 72,000. The house rent allowance you received is 1,30,200 rupees. Even though out of that you can claim only 72,000 as tax exempted amount, rest of the amount is taxable. That means remaining 58,200 rupees will be taxable income for you. We have come to the end of the video. This is how we can calculate the house rent allowance exemption amount. Please subscribe to this channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.